In this video, we'll cover how to send USDT from Coinbase to another wallet. Okay, so the first part is going to differ for many users because it depends on what wallet or exchange you are trying to send to. But basically what you need to do is get your wallet address. And the best way to go is usually just to copy it so that you can paste it into Coinbase. Now, when we're talking USDT and Coinbase, it's always going to be on Coinbase wallet. I'm not sure if that's only for certain regions, but it is that way for my country. So you're going to go onto your Coinbase wallet, not the Coinbase exchange. And what you then want to do is click on the search button on top here and just search for your USDT. Make sure you pick the correct network. So for me, it's going to be the Ethereum network. And I have no USDT, but you are going to click on send. On the next screen, they're going to ask you for that wallet address and you're going to paste it in. And then they're going to ask you for the amount of USDT that you want to send. The next screen will then just be a review screen with all the fees involved, and make sure you have enough gas fee, and then you can hit send. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.